Welcome to the world of massive gulab jamun production. These factories churn out thousands of these sweet treats every hour, using bulk ingredients like milk powder and paneer. Industrial machines mix, shape, and fry them to perfection, ensuring consistency and quality. Street food vendors love this setup. They buy in bulk, saving time and labor. They simply reheat and serve these warm, syrup-soaked delights to eager customers. This partnership keeps gulab jamun affordable and accessible at street stalls everywhere.